Hey guys, I'm back with another robot. This time I've got the Jimu robot from UBtech. Now UBtech's the company that brought you all those cool robots like the Stormtrooper robot and the Alpha robot. But they wanted to make something that you guys could actually play with. So we've got the Jimu robot here. It's the interactive building block robotics kit. Now they have a number of different types of kits. This one is easy to intermediate. So let's take a look inside. So as you see, it's actually quite neatly set out. We've actually got a parts list here, and I don't know if you've noticed, but those parts look awfully similar to Lego. Now the only problem is they're not Lego, and even though the pieces are exactly the same, they're actually smaller. But we'll take a look inside one of these little boxes. So inside of these boxes we have different parts. As you see, again, it looks very similar to Lego. These are all the wings and sides. And these are some of the smaller parts. And if we just open one of these packets up, we'll see that this looks very similar to Lego. However, the size is not quite right, because that's the Jimu parts and this is the Lego parts. But I don't know if you can tell, these parts are about 30% smaller than Lego. So even though you'll know what to do with these pieces, you won't be able to connect them to your Lego system. But I'll do a full comparison between UBtech's Jimu robotic system and the Lego Boost in another video. So the thing that makes Jimu special is it's actually using servo motors instead of normal DC motors for driving the different operations. Now, servo motors will give you more direct access, and well, this actual kit comes with 7 servo motors. So you can actually drive quite a few functions with this kit. And of course it needs to have a brain. So this is the main computer control system. It's a servo controlled system and provides sensory feedback. So we use this to connect to the app. And it's all done through Bluetooth, so that's pretty normal. Inside the app we have build instructions for the different models. I'm going to go ahead and build this cool looking penguin. And there's even a place where you can do coding. And these are all the normal coding blocks that you would see. So that's pretty cool too. So I'm looking forward to building something a little bit more creative than their standard models. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and build the Jimu UBtech penguin. Okay, so that's our Jimu first robot complete. Let's just turn it on and we'll just see if it works. So I'm just using the robot play function just to get a bit of an idea to see if it works. And that's pretty cool. Obviously he's got lots of pre-built functions. That is him moving right. I'll put him back in front here. So this is him acting cute. Okay, him being happy. So that is the UBtech Jimu penguin. It's a pretty cool build. And even though these parts are smaller than your normal Lego, they weren't too bad. They're about 30% smaller. If you have small fingers, that's really going to help, because these parts, especially the Technic type style pieces, are actually pretty small. They do give you a special tool for pushing things out, so that actually came in quite handy because I mucked it up a couple of times. So I'm looking forward to building some more Jimu robotic models. Let me know in the comments below if you like this robotic system and if you want me to do more builds. I think he's pretty cool. Build system's actually quite good, and I like the servos and how they actually snap together to give you different ranges of motion, so it's going to be a little bit of fun. And as I said, I'll make a comparison between this robotic building system and the Lego Boost system, because there are a few differences. So until next time, it's bye for now.